still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Hi, welcome back. Today I want to do an unboxing or a haul, I guess, from Bohomoon. It comes in this cute little packaging. Basically, Bohomoon is a jewellery brand. They say that their jewellery is waterproof and tarnish proof. So I wanted to give it a go because their pieces are much more reasonable in price than other brands. And I've been seeing them all over TikTok. And I've nearly bought items a few times and then not been able to decide what to get. But then when I was on their website, they have these, what are they called? They have these goodie bags. So you get 3 items for £15 and you can pick the colours of the metal. So I went with gold. And you can pick like rings or bracelets, anklets, zodiac necklaces, I'm just reading from the website, earrings and necklaces. So I went for, well, I'll show you. I went for a goodie bag of rings and also a goodie bag of earrings, and then I picked a pair of earrings that I liked anyway, just in case I didn't like any of the earrings that come. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it comes in this like pink pouch. On the other side is my address, but it came in about a week, maybe just under a week. Oh, I'm gonna be able to see it. I don't want to see. I want it to be a surprise. Let's see. Okay. So then that's the website, and it just is a little thank you for your order. But look how pretty some of the pieces are on there, and then this is the gold side. So, okay, let me start with the ones that I know are coming. So these are the ones that I picked. They're earrings. So they're gold with the black little square. I just thought they were really cute, and I don't often wear dangly earrings, so I think they'll be nice. Oh, so it says it's stainless steel. Look how pretty they are. And I really like their logo. See, I think those were £7. Let me just see. It doesn't say, but I think they were around £7 or £9, so they were really reasonable. Yeah, and I really like them. And how do I open them? Oh, right, okay. So it's, and then that just clips back in like that. They feel really nice and sturdy. I've got a pair similar, like with the clasp like this, and the clasp bent immediately, so hopefully these won't do that. But I like that you can wear them in water as well, because I'm not very good at like wearing jewellery in the first place, so I thought if I keep these on it won't matter so much, like when you're in the shower or whatever. So that was my first pair. Let's stay with the earrings then, because they come in this cute little pouch when they're I assume this is because it's in the goodie bag. So let's go with this other hoopy pair. Oh, those are so nice. Okay, I was really worried I was going to get loads of like earrings that I don't really like, and then I wouldn't really wear them. And because it was £15, I thought it was worth the risk, but I really like those. So those are just a hoop. They've got tiny, I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can. Again, it just is a clasp like that, and then I don't know if you'll be able to see, but on the earring itself are some tiny lines just to give it a bit of detail. I really like those. Yeah, those are really cute. You'll have to let me know in the comments below which earrings you like best. So we've got the ones that I picked that are now back to front, the hoops. Okay, there are some big ones that I'm not sure. Are they the sun? Okay, they look like this, but it's 2 halves. Oh, they're upside down, hang on. Okay, they look like this. Oh, it's a flower. And then obviously they'll be, okay, they're not too bad. They look bigger. They look bigger like in my hand, but they're not too bad. They're a bit butchery, but not too bad. Yeah, those are quite cute. And those are studs rather than the clips, you can see. Okay, and they came in their own little pouch. How sweet is that? They feel really nice quality actually. Oh, so I got the hoops in the goodie bag, and I got the like fancy big ones, and then I've got a tiny pair of studs as well. These are really simple. I definitely wouldn't have chosen these, but they're pretty, and I don't even know if you're going to be able to see. They're just a tiny little, I mean it's not a diamond, but diamond style. Some kind of crystal, just a stud. So those are quite sweet. Okay, they're the earrings. So let me know in the comments below which ones your favourites are of the earrings. I think for me, other than the ones I chose, because I don't think that's very fair, because I chose them. And I do think I'll wear all of them. They're very wearable. But I think these ones are my favourite out of the 3 in the goodie bag. So yeah, I like those. And then I also ordered rings. I'm not 100% sure what my ring size is, which is great, but we'll give it a go. I picked a size and we'll just see. So they gave me this little pink pouch, I assume to keep the rings in. The rings have come in their own little pouch, and then they've also come in a tiny pouch. I ordered one goodie bag which is 3 rings, and they all look not the same but similar. So let's see. Okay, so the first one, I'll show you like this and then I'll pop it on. The first one is a gold, it's just a gold band, and then on the top it's got some little stones. Can you see? Yeah, a little bit. Some little stones. They kind of match the stud earrings, which is nice. Excuse my nails. Okay. I mean, this will be really nice if it doesn't tarnish and like leave a mark. So, because that one fits quite nicely. I'm less impressed with the rings, to be honest, but I really like the earrings. Okay, this is the other ring. This one doesn't feel as good quality as the last one. It's another ring and it's got like little grooves in it, just there. Kind of like hexagon-y. It looks alright on. It just feels thinner. It feels cheaper, this one, but I think it looks nice on. And then the final one, I don't know, I'm not sure on this one either, so I don't know. It's basically tiny little balls together. I don't know if I would stack them. You definitely could stack them because I got the same colour. Let's try. There's them all together. I don't know, you know. They're not awful. Like, there's nothing wrong with them. They look nice. And I definitely will wear them. I just think the earrings feel a lot better quality than the rings do. So yeah, and they've got some really nice rings on their website. So it's definitely a me thing. If you want to shop on their website and pick out a ring, they've got some really interesting looking ones. And these all are a little bit plain, and I think this one feels the nicest out of the 3. This one feels quite cheap, and then this one, I'm not really sure. Especially when like the prices of the rings online are like 30 quid. They don't feel good enough quality for that. But these do. So, was it worth it, I guess? Yeah, I think it was fun, and I'll definitely wear them. And for £15, you know, it's not so bad. I wouldn't want to, if this has arrived and I've paid 30 quid for it, I would be disappointed on this one. But for £15 and you get the 3, it's not so bad. And the earrings, I think, definitely were worth it. But let me know what you think down below, and if you've ordered from Bohomoon before, and what you would recommend, because I'm not sure what I think. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.